So some of you, or maybe a lot of people say, I know AI, but it's quite different. Maybe you can use a ChatGPT or Gemini very smoothly, but I think ChatGPT is just like a chat box. You input some text and get some text out, and you feel you are very smart, but it will forget after each conversation, and it can execute one task at a time, and it can't even touch your files. But if you are using an AI agent, it means that it's a large language model equipped with some tools like writing codes, executing a bash commands, and it has memory. The more you use, the powerful it is. And also now we move on to try to do some autonomous actions. When I speak here, my AI agents work there. So after the speech, we can grab something and can harvest something. So what is Claude Code? It's developed by Anthropic in 2025. It's an AI coding agent, and that is in your terminal. Of course, now it has several versions like Claude Desktop and Claude Cowork. I think everyone could choose which version they like. And it's not just a chat box, it takes actions. For example, you can read files, it can write codes, execute the bash commands and run scripts, and also install some apps for yourself. And it can also deploy the apps or deploy all something to the websites. So all you need is to try to communicate with the AI agent with your natural language, either by Mandarin or English or anything. For example, you can tell the Claude, say, analyze my patient data and build a risk calculator app. Of course, maybe you ask, how do I know their logics? It's not just we human experts need to check.